Hi everyone. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to start a new series called Mulesoft tutorials. So I'll be teaching you what is Mulesoft, what is Anypoint, what is Anypoint platform, how to use Mulesoft, and when and where it is used nowadays. Nowadays Mulesoft is in very much demand. So I highly recommend to learn this, and if you'll follow my series, you will definitely learn all the basics of the Mulesoft. So let's start. So first I'll explain you how to create a project in the Mulesoft. So Mulesoft is a company which has a product called Anypoint Studio. So this is the Anypoint Studio as you can see here. So we'll create a project here. First new, we'll go to new Mule project. We'll give its name. It will be like our first project. So we'll give just a first project name. After that we'll just click next, next and finish. So as you can see, our project is already created. This is the XML file. So there will be two places. You can see this is the flow and this is the configuration XML. So if you are like really good in coding, you can code here, or you can simply use the drag and drop feature of the Anypoint. So here, so today we'll create the first basic project in which we'll going to print a hello world in the output screen. So like everyone else, suppose we are learning Java, so we'll be creating a hello world for Java. So in this we are going to create hello world for Anypoint or Mulesoft. So what you need for that, you will be needing an HTTP to trigger the flow. You can use the logger, and the last thing that you need is a payload. Sorry. So this is the basic setup that we want right now. So let's see what we want to print in this. We'll just increase this size. Suppose we'll print hello world. Hello world, welcome to my channel. So that's all we need to write here. In logger, logger, as everyone knew, is just to log whether like our flow reached here, like what should we print. So over there we'll simply print request received. Now this is the main and the first and the most important part. So we'll full size this. Here we can see here is a connection configuration. So it will give, so here we'll be configuring the local host port on which our program is going to work, our web service is going to run. So you can see here we'll select localhost. Here we can give any port. Suppose I'll give 9091. You need to remember this is the base path. So if you want to give any base path, suppose API, okay, and this is the other half of the part. So API, like we'll give our, or we'll give hello. All these things I'll be explaining you in the subsequent or upcoming videos, but we don't want it here right now. So here we are done with our project. So now we are going to run this project. So we can simply right click and run the file. As it's running, you can see this is the console part. There will be two scenarios by which we can test our application. You can either use Postman, you can either use SOAP UI, or either if it's just a get method. So there will be different methods that you will be learning, different HTTP methods. So if it's just a simple get method like this, then you can test it using your Chrome also. So I'll be testing in Postman and Chrome our application. So let's go here. Now it's deployed. You can see it's deployed. So what we'll do is we clear the console, and since our program is running, so now we'll type our local host we have given. Our port was 9091 slash, our base path was API slash first. It was first, right? Oh, it's hello, not first. So when I click OK, oh sorry, HTTP, it's not localhost 091 slash API slash hello. You can see hello world, welcome to my channel. Suppose if we'll copy this, we'll use the postman, we'll simply put it here and we'll just send. You can see hello world, welcome to my channel. And when you will go back to your Anypoint Studios, we have implemented a logger in which request received, we have written a request received. So here we can see, since we have request received, since we have used a Google Chrome and Postman both, so in this cases our program ran twice. So here there are two loggers, request received and request received. So this is how you can create a hello world program in Mule Anypoint Studio. So we'll be meeting you in next video. So that's all for this video. Thank you.